What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel again, Cocktails with Ray. Today, we got a nice little summery cocktail made with my favorite gin, Bombay Sapphire by Bombay. This gin right here, it has an amazing citrusy, flowery, botanical flavor, which I love. Shout out to my man Al back in Brooklyn for putting me on this gin. Love you, my brother. Never forget those little things. For putting me on this specific gin. Love this stuff. GT, you know what I mean. So, we have our Bombay gin, like I mentioned to you guys. We also have some simple syrup, right, that we're gonna use. We have a medium lemon that we are using, and some Drolade blackberry liqueur made in France. And I say Drolade, I'm not from France, so forgive me if I'm not mentioning it right, but I've been using this stuff for a very long time. Stuff is amazing. So with that being said, guys, let's get with it. We are in, really, before I start, guys, like I have always mentioned to you guys before my videos, I like to eyeball everything, but I will always give you your measurements. Always remember that. And if you don't, by any chance, remember what was the measurements or whatever throughout the video, please leave a comment, ask any question, and I will reply to it. I just want to make sure that you're making that cocktail as great as who? Ray. So let's get this started. So with that being said, let's get it. Now, we are going to do number one, my Bombay gin. We are going to do 2 ounces. And guys, you could do probably about 2 ounces and a half if you really want to, which I'm gonna do right now. Or 2 ounces in like a quarter, right? We do want our drinks tasty, not super strong, overwhelming, but we do want them tasty. But you want to feel it. You don't want no weak ass drink, right? You know that. Now, we are going to do, and hey, check this out. I just bought this brand new yesterday. My first lemon squeezer, just to make this cocktail for you guys. And where did I get it? Walmart. I'm gonna spend crazy money on this stuff. $6. What do you think about that? Pretty? Yellow like the lemon. Let's get it. So guys, what we're gonna do now is we are going to do 1 small to medium lemon, right? Anywhere small to medium size lemon. We're gonna squeeze the fresh juice. Right? There goes 1/2, and here goes the other half. All right? So we will use anywhere from a small to a medium lemon juice. All right? Then we're gonna add about, give or take, about anywhere from 3 to 4 teaspoons of simple syrup, right? Just to give it a little sweetness, because remember we just put the lemon, right? There you go. Okay? Now guys, we are going to put some ice, right? Put a couple of cubes of ice, right? In there. We are going to stir it. Get this all mixed together, right? So we got the lemon, which is gonna give it a little bitterness. But we put the simple syrup, which is gonna give it a little sweetness, okay? We're gonna mix that real good. Then we are going to put more ice, guys. After we stir it, a couple of more cubes of ice. There it is. Now we are gonna go and top it off with some gelard on the top. You see how that's changing, guys? Tell me that don't look pretty, huh? Summer or what? You know the deal. Definitely summer. We're gonna give it just a little stir. Nothing crazy. All right? Keep it like that. And I just wanna show you guys. Look at how beautiful this looks. Huh? Guys, you make this for your wifey, you're gonna gain a lot of points, guys. Believe me. Nice and easy cocktail at home. Like I always tell you guys, don't ever think that you cannot get it done. Simple. That's what I'm bringing to you guys. Simplicity, a beautiful, nice cocktail. Cheers, guys. Man, listen. You already know what that means. Gorgeous cocktails, as you can see. The taste is amazing, guys. This is called a gin brownie. I hope you love this recipe. Thank you for tuning in again with my channel. Please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification button, right? And also, guys, don't forget about my Instagram, Cocktails with Ray. Make sure that you over there and give me my follow and show me some love. And I will continue to bring you these great, great cocktails. Thank you again. Peace.